Hello everyone and welcome back to my morning report analysis videos on Tuesday 22nd of November with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Handset Markets. Let's look at this cable chart now. We had a big bull candle which sort of stopped the rot really. 5 bear candles in a row. It came back to that support of 23.30, which was the breakout level. It never really closed below it. 20. Annoyingly, I can't get the cross on it. There you go. 23.43 was the closing low on Friday. Then a strong bull candle, which sort of burst through a lot of resistance, actually, a lot of overhead supply, and it sort of has maintained this neutral outlook. I mean, the stochastics had been falling quite sharply, but interestingly, they've sort of ticked higher from 40 again. So they're maintaining a sort of a neutral stance, I suppose, sort of arresting that decline that we had seen in the last sort of 5 sessions. And the move has certainly helped to improve sentiment once again, but it hasn't yet broken through that 25.15 resistance. Several times that is acted out as level of resistance yesterday and again today early morning, so that is clearly a level that the market is looking out for. But the momentum indicators have just sort of tailed off in this recovery from yesterday. Sterling's actually mildly lower on the day today, not too much, but that crossover sell signal, near-term sell signal on the MACD lines is not great. But you'd want to see the hourly RSI probably finding support around the sort of 50 level before turning up, because you'd want to also maintain this 24.50 pivot line, and which has been in place for the last few weeks. Actually, it seems to be a consistent level of turning point, 24.50. In the last sort of Wednesday, Thursday last week, it didn't do a great deal, but it seems to have come in again early doors today. And I think that is a level that the market is again looking at for. So 24.50 would be an interesting level if that holds on to the support. 23.80 is the support below that. Sort of these old reaction lows, but 24.50 is becoming a near-term interesting level of support. So watch out for that. So it's a little bit of a consolidation now between 24.50 and 25.15, and the break either way of that will be, I think, telling in terms of the direction of the next move. But it's just consolidating for now, and it is interesting that whilst the dollar is weakened against most of the forex majors, sterling is marginally weaker, which I think is interesting. But as I said, if you can see sterling breaking above that 25.15 resistance, I think it's up and away. 25.57 is the next, and then beyond that, back towards the those highs again, 26.73. So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.